You cannot think the old way. And if you come out of these challenging times without a whole bunch of new ideas, you've wasted a lot of time. Young entrepreneurs, young female and minority entrepreneurs today are very innovative, and this has given them a time to really shine. When you're working with a worldwide workforce, you can find so much diversity. I've been able to interact with so many more people than I ever could have done before. It's allowed me to learn, to grow, and to work with other people who needed that advice, who needed my entrepreneurial spirit, my mentorship. I think that that's what business has to bring to the forefront. This is a time to be inspired. There's lots of things that we can do to make the world a better place. And companies, businesses, we have all that it takes, and all we need to do is share it with the rest of the world. My name is Maxine Clark, and I am ready to make change.